Take a look at this Firebird here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 model year. 350 small block shell, power underneath the hood. Paired up an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at this front chrome bumper, grille. Has had a repaint to red. Black vinyl interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this car. You'll be able to see it at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below it in the description. That's going to take you to our website. Be over 100 pictures of this car online. You can also call us 507-386-1726. BF Goodrich radials. Those were put on in 2023. So new rubber Pontiac Motor Division rally wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Some of the recent service work that has been done to this car. Tranny was serviced, rear brakes gone through, new plugs, carb rebuilt, new shocks, new battery. So this car is ready. Turn the key, go, have some fun. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just taking out on a weekend and driving. This is a bench seat car, black vinyl, shifter on the column. And as you can see, paint shows well on it, up and down that passenger side. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. As you can see, dual exhaust. We're going to start the car up here at the end of the video. Let you hear it run. It's a good sounding car. It has newer exhaust with glass pack mufflers on it. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, we'll take this car out and drive it down the road so you can see how it drives out. Kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Also want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look down the driver's side. There's a little scuff on the rear bumper here. See that? UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking at the still pictures, like I said earlier. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it to look at this car yourself due to distance or time. Not a problem. You want somebody to check it out for you. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels looking good. Carpeting in good shape. Black vinyl seats appear to be free of rips, tears, holes. You'll be able to see the interior pics with the rest of the still pictures. Very stock looking interior. Well, the headliner good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Starts easily. Nice throaty exhaust, like I said. Newer exhaust, glass pack mufflers. Dash looks good. I have not had the radio power up. I know the windshield wipers work though. Of course, the wing window on the 1967 body style. The door closes nicely. There you go. Throaty little growl coming out of that small block. This car will turn some heads, the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let me pause this a second, get this hood open, we'll check out this engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Let me see if I can get this to idle down a second. Now it's warmed up a little bit here. There we go. Off a high idle. Alright, so what do we have underneath here? Again, a new master cylinder. Got power brakes, power steering, new water pump, aluminum radiator. MSC ignition, Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, Poly 4-barrel, battery disconnect here for when it's in the storage or in between drives. Nice looking engine bay. And small block Chev 350 paired up with that automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. Good looking engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Remember, we're going to take this car for a little drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1967 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Pontiac Firebird in red with black interior. This is an automatic on the column. Got a little bit of traffic today we're waiting for. Nice running Firebird. Started up and idled smoothly right away. Has a nice exhaust sound. Firm shifts from that automatic transmission, that's always good. Fuel gauge is reading a little over 3/4, and the speedometer is working. Those are 2 gauges from the factory. Windshield wipers are functioning on this car. Good road feel. Suspension feels like it should. Firm enough to feel the road underneath you, but nice over the bumps. Nice looking interior. Vinyl bench seat with a fold down armrest in this car. Headliner looking good. Carpet looking good. Always love the front end of these cars with the wraparound bumper and the sunken in headlights. It looks nice and tough. We got the 350 insignia on the hood. Like I was saying, a little bit of traffic today. Driving these cars around, you always get the looks